1990 Topps Football. 34 card cello pack plus one glossy card. This is going to be video 2 of 2. Be sure to check out video 1 of 2. Got Peaches the puppy dog out here with us. All right, let's see what we find in this 34 card cello pack. No gum, which is actually kind of nice, because that means we don't have to worry about card damage due to gum. Now, the first pack was looking great. No corner issues, no nicks, and it looks like this pack is the same. For our 1,000-yard club glossy, we've got Richard Johnson. I'm not familiar with him. Card number 22. All right. We've got Tim Spencer, Joey Browner, Ken O'Brien, Chris Spielman, Herman Hurd, Freddie Joe Nunn, Daryl Green, Roan Stark, Ron Hall, Winston Moss, Pete Mandley, Tom Rathman, Mark Kelso, J.T. Smith, Sean Jones, Steve Trapillo, Daryl Johnston, Vi Sekahima, Bubba Paris, Lewis Sharp. Looks like there might be a issue with that card. Like a printing issue. Put that one aside. Dennis Gentry, Mike Mooncheck. Oh, very nice. 1989 rushing leaders. For the NFC, Barry Sanders. For the AFC, Christian Okoye. Very cool card, Barry Sanders. We'll put that up there. Here is a team card. Conlon calls defensive scheme. Looks like Buffalo Bills there. Yeah, Buffalo Bills team leaders. We've got Gene Lang, Dennis Smith, Mark Robinson, Super Bowl. Which one is this going to be? So 10, 20, Super Bowl 24, it looks like. The 49ers and the Broncos. That's a cool card. We'll put that up there. There's another. Well, we're getting some extra cards. Very nice. A hasty return. Looks like the Jets in there. Got the New York Jets. Moon scrambles to daylight. Looks like the Houston Oilers. We've got Howie Long. That's a cool card. Aikman directs ground attack. Troy Aikman with the Dallas Cowboys. Very cool card there. Wow, lots of these cards. Very nice. Bratton breaks away. Denver Broncos. And then finally, 1989 sack leaders. NFC of Chris Dolman. AFC of Lee Williams. Wow, got some great cards in there. Some extra cards, I guess. Got this Troy Aikman directs ground attack card. Dallas Cowboys. We've got the Super Bowl 24 card there. Over here, we picked up 89 rushing leaders with Barry Sanders and Christian Okoye. And then Howie Long. There's our 1,000-yard club glossy of Richard Johnson. This card here, the Lewis Sharp, there's a bit of a, seems like an issue right here. like an ink printing issue. So we're going to go ahead and toss the Lewis Sharp card. But there you have it, folks. 1990 Topps 34 card cello pack. Plus 1 glossy card. Video 2 of 2. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.